Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your English workbook, Volume 2. Open your English workbook, Volume 2. Open your English workbook, Volume 2, page number 12. In the previous class, I gave these notes. Already I gave the notes of acorn and the oak tree. Notes are given. Next bit, I am giving the next bit. Refer the poem and rewrite the following lines by rectifying the errors. By finding out the errors in the given paragraph. Find the errors in the given paragraph. We have to rewrite the sentence. We have to rewrite the given paragraph by recorrecting the errors. Errors ni recorrect చేసుకుంటూ మళ్ళీ paragraph ni ఇక్కడ రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. Okay? I will write in the board. You must copy it down. The oak tree smiled. A fruit is given now. The red on smiled. The oak tree smiled. Frowned underline in the sentence. Frowned means frowned is the wrong word. Smiled is the correct word. A knowing smile. Knowing smile. A knowing smile. Oak tree is happy only. Who is worrying in the poem? Acorn fruit. Means oak tree fruit is worrying. Oak tree fruit is worrying because I am so small. Isn't it? Oak tree smiled. A knowing smile. తనకు తెలుస్తుంది చిన్నగా ఉన్నాం worry అవుతే after some of the years we will become very big. She knows. That's what it smiled knowingly. The oak tree smiled knowingly. Knowing smile. Calm minded. Start. My trunk is thicker. Thin is given here. Underline thin. My trunk is thinner. Thicker. Oak tree trunk is thicker. My trunk is thicker. My trunk is thicker. Thin is given Anna. Thicker. My trunk is thicker and my roots are shallow is given. My roots are deep. My shallow is shallow underline. Not shallow. My roots are deep in the soil. Deep. My roots are. My roots are deep. My roots are deep. My roots are deep. My branches and wings. And twigs. My branches and twigs spread low and narrow given. Not low. My branches and twigs grow higher and higher. Higher no? So underline low and narrow. Low and narrow. Low and narrow. Both are wrong. High and wide is the correct one. My branches and twigs spread high and wide. High and wide. High and wide. birds. For birds to eat. For birds to eat. Birds to eat. Birds to eat or birds to make nest. What the birds and also bugs are doing? Birds are making their nest in the branches of a oak tree. Birds are making nest and bugs, B-U-G-S, bugs. Bugs are sleeping. Bugs are sleeping now. Bugs are sleeping on the oak tree and birds are making their nest. Yeah. Birds to eat, not to eat. To nest. Birds to nesting. Birds to nesting and bugs to sleep. And birds to sleep. Complete your answers. The oak tree smiled a knowing smile. My trunk is thick and my roots are deep. My branches are big, spread high and wide, for birds to nest in and bugs to sleep. Complete your answer. Next. Next bit. Question tags. A question tag is a small question that comes at the end of the statement. A passive statement is followed by a negative question tag and a negative statement is followed by a passive question tag. For example, do you know question tags? Question tags. Question tags are followed by a statement. Question tags are followed by a statement. Statement to question tags make this. After the statement, we form the question tag. A passive statement. If the statement is passive, the question tag is negative. If the statement is in negative, the question tag will be passive. Here, one example. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. It is a passive statement. He is a doctor. It's a passive thing. It is a passive one. He is a doctor. Passive statement. This is a statement. Passive statement. How to make the question tag? We have to write the statement again. Statement malli rayali. He is a doctor. Now keep comma. Keep a comma. Here what is, you must find out the helping verb and also the subject. It's noun. Here what is the helping verb is there? Is the helping verb. Am, is, or, was, were, will, shall, have, has, had, can, could, may, might. These are the helping verbs. Do, did, does. These are also helping verbs. Here what is the helping verb is there? Is. What is the helping verb? Is. Is the helping verb. What is the noun? He. It is the subject. We have to find out the helping verb and also subject. What is the helping verb? Is the helping verb. He is the subject. How to make the question tag now? Amma. Helping verb right first. Means is. Helping verb writer. First is. This is a past statement, no? This is a past statement. The question tag should be negative. Means we have to use not. ఇది past statement కదరా, అంటే ఇందులో నాట్ లేదు. పాజిటివ్ అంటే నాట్ లేదు. నాట్ లేకపోతే పాజిటివ్ వన్, నాట్ ఉంటే నెగిటివ్ వన్. ఇప్పుడు స్టేట్మెంట్ పాజిటివ్ కాబట్టి మనం క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ ఎందులో రాయాలి? నెగిటివ్లో రాయాలి. నెగిటివ్ అంటే నాట్ యూస్ చేయాలి. వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ నాట్. ఈజ్ నాట్. ఈజ్ నాట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్? He. Just over. Question mark. He is a doctor. Amma, we have read the short form. This is the expanded form now. Short form we have read it. Right. Isn't. Isn't is the short form now. Right here. Isn't he? Question tag is completed. Understand me? This is a combination of making question tags. He is a doctor, isn't he? He is a doctor, isn't he? The doctor is now. Here statement is positive, question tag is negative. If the statement is positive, we have to make the question tag in negative. Understand? One more example I will tell. You haven't meet him. You haven't meet him. It's negative one. You haven't meet or metta. Metta. You haven't met him. This is the statement. This is a negative statement because not is there. This is a not now. Not is there. This is the negative statement. You haven't meet me is the negative statement. So how we have to make the question tag positively? Because if the statement is negative, question tag should be in positive. అర్థమవుతుందా? స్టేట్మెంట్ నెగిటివ్లో ఉంటే క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ ఎందులో మేక్ చేయాలి? పాజిటివ్లో. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ పాజిటివ్, ద క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ నెగిటివ్. ఓకే, నౌ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ డౌన్ అగైన్. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? మనము ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్ మళ్ళీ రాసుకోవాలి. యూ హ్యావెంట్ met him. Keep comma. Keep a comma. Now find out the helping verb. What is the helping verb is there? What is the helping verb? Have. Have is the helping verb. Right first. What is the subject? You. Amma, already it is a negative statement. So question tag should be positive. Statement is in the negative. Statement negative lo undi ante mana question tag endlo undale? Positive lo undale. Okay? Have helping verb written. You need to keep not because already it is a negative statement. So you need to use not. Have. What is the subject? Only helping verb and also subject nana. Question tags lo only helping verb and subject. Question tag lo question statement lo negative untenemo question tag lo negative undadu. Statement lo negative lekapothe manam ikkada not use cheyali. Okay, have you over question mark. The same write down here. Have you question mark over. We make the question tag. How simple it was. You haven't met me. Sorry, you haven't met me. You haven't met him. Have you? You haven't met him, have you? That is the question tag. Shall I say one more example? They aren't working. They aren't working. What we have to find out? We have to find out the helping verb. What is the helping verb is there? Are. What is the subject? They. They is the subject. Helping verb is are. Just to only change. Are he is here. They is here. Already it is a negative one. It is already negative. Comment it is negative. No need to use the negative here. Okay? Same right here. Are they? Keep comma. Question mark. They aren't walking. Are they? Over. Understand? Next, we have to do. Now add question tags to the sentences given below. We have to add the question tag. This water isn't cool. First one is this water isn't. Already it is the negative one. Isn't cool. This water isn't cool. First of all, we have to write the statement again. Same sentence. Write down. This water isn't cool. Isn't cold. Sorry. This water isn't cold. Keep comma. Keep a comma. Okay. Here. Now, what we have to find out? We have to find out the helping verb and also the subject. Helping verb is. Is the helping verb. And the water is the subject. We have to write the pronoun of water. Pronoun name. Water ni ela pronounce cheyala? The pronoun form. We have to use the pronoun. This water is not having any gender. Water ki gender ledu. So we have to use it. We have to use it. Means is it. Is it? Is it? Write down. This water isn't cold. Is it? This water isn't cold. Is it? Come everyone. And second one. My trunk is thick. My trunk is thick. My trunk is thick and my roots are deep. My roots are deep. My trunk is thick and my roots are deep. Here, Amma is and are. Totally, we are talking about both. We are talking about the trunk and also the roots. So how to write? First write the same sentence. My trunk is thicker. My trunk is thicker and my roots are deep. My roots are deep. Keep comma. Keep a comma. Find out the helping verb. Amma, here is there. Here are is there. We have to take plural only. What's the plural one? Are. Are after what we have to use? Not. Because this is a positive statement. This is the positive statement. So, the question tag should be negative. Aren't. Aren't. Aren't they? Aren't they? The trunk is thicker and my roots are deep. Aren't they? Aren't they? It's a question time. Complete your answers. Next one. Next one is, she can't speak English. Sorry, third one, no? The oak tree smiled. The oak tree smiled. Annoying smile. Annoying smile. Annoying smile. Amma, find out the helping verb. Is there any helping verb? Not there. First of all, you have to write out the sentence again. Malli rayamani cheppanu kada, rayali. The oak tree smiled. Annoying smile. Annoying smile. Then keep comma. Keep comma. Now find out the helping verb. What is the helping verb is there? The oak tree smiled. What are the helping verbs? Am, is, or, was, were, have, has, had, will, shall, would, could, can, could, may, might. These are the helping verbs. Any helping verb is there? No. Then if the helping verb is not there means we have to see the verb. What is the verb? Smiled. Smiled verb is in second form. Smile, smiled. Smile is the first form. Smiled is the second form. Means past form. Amma, verb first form lo unnappudu, if the helping verb is not there. Amma, when in the sentence, if the sentence is in simple present or simple past, for those sentences helping verb is no needed. No need. Helping verb అవసరం లేదు వాటికి. Okay, simple present tense ki, simple past ki helping verb ఉండదు. At that time, if the verb is in first form, we have to take the helping verbs of do or does. If the verb is second form, we have to take the helping verb of did. చెప్పండి, స్మైల్ ఏ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది? సెకండ్ ఫామ్. సో అప్పుడు ఏం helping verb తీసుకోవాలి మనము? We have to take the helping verb of did. We have to take the helping verb of did. Why? Verb is in past form. Verb past form లో ఉంది, helping verb లేదు. Verb second form లో ఉంది కాబట్టి did తీసుకోవాలి. Did. అమ్మాయి ఆల్రెడీ పాస్ట్ వన్, స్టేట్మెంట్ పాస్ట్ కదరా. సో క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ ఎందులోకి వెళ్ళాలి? నెగటివ్. క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ షుడ్ బి ఇంటూ నెగటివ్. ఓకే, didn't. Didn't. Didn't it. Didn't it. The oak tree smiled at knowing smile. Didn't it. Okay, complete your answers. Next, fourth one. She can't speak English. She can't speak English. Amma, what is helping verb is there? Can. Pronoun is she. Can she? How to make a? She can't speak English. can't speak English, comma, can she? Can she is the question tag. Can she? Can is the helping verb. She is the pronoun. Can she? Because not in the petla no. Because the statement is negative. Statement negative lo unnappudu question tag should be in passive. Question tag should be in the passive. Next, fifth one. He isn't your friend. He isn't your friend. How to make the question tag? First read the sentence. Again, he isn't your friend. He isn't your friend, comma. Find out the helping verb. What is the helping verb? Is. What is the subject? He. Write down. Is he? Is he? Question mark. Close. Because already statement is negative. So question tag should be in passive. Question tag passive. Okay now. He isn't your friend. Is he? Okay. ఇది నెగటివ్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి పాజిటివ్ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ అండ్ ప్రొనౌన్ దట్స్ ఇట్ వెరీ సింపుల్ ఓకే అమ్మ టుడేస్ క్లాస్ ఇస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ కంప్లీట్ యువర్ నోట్స్ బై